certain socioeconomic problems. This variable spatial filter method is at least to my level of satisfaction at present, until I'm shown otherwise, producing results that are fairly reasonable at the block level. This is something that is not easily accomplished with traditional projection methods. What we're able to do now is work with this block data and show the effect of redistricting both on present data and on data that is projected into the future. And essentially what we've got here is the capability to evaluate different attended scenarios and see what's going on. And this is consistent with our philosophy of spatial decision support systems. And there are a few people in the audience who have taken classes from me, believe it or not, and my students lampooned me recently by showing me this. So those of you who are interested in hanging around for questions, please feel free, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much. Yes?
On the Iowa State study where you did the actual and the filter and cohort comparison,
Right.
have you gone back to do a second actual year to see how that
We're-
compares to the filter?
Yeah, the question was, have we gone back and done a second year of the analysis? We're doing that now. And we're not off by very much, so unless we're really at some kind of a sharp angle, we're going to be close, at least for the second year down the road. But it is absolutely something that we have to do. I agree. We need to look at that.